Hello and welcome to this masterclass on AWS Virtual Private Cloud or VPC. In the past decade, cloud computing has been gaining popularity at a tremendous rate. Some cloud providers are experiencing a growth rate of 50% year over year, which is just astounding. And the reasons for this growth are obvious. Cloud computing enables ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources which can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal effort. Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform which offers a broad set of global compute, storage, database, analytics, application, and deployment services that help organizations move faster at lower IT costs and scale their applications. AWS VPC stands for Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. It is a virtual private network that enables us to launch AWS resources into a virtual network that we have defined. It is one of the core components of networking infrastructure within the AWS cloud, which allows us to set up our cloud resources securely and privately. Using AWS VPC, we can be sure that our cloud resources are isolated from all other AWS cloud users. This course teaches you how to build, configure, and manage your own virtual private cloud. This course will start with basics of virtual private cloud and then move deeper into details about AWS VPC. We will talk about topics like how to build your own virtual private cloud. We will discuss in depth the various components of VPC like subnets, gateways, VPC endpoints, route tables, etc. We will also cover several security aspects in the context of AWS Virtual Private Cloud, namely AWS security groups, network access control lists, etc. This course aims to provide you with deep insight into this very important and essential AWS networking component. We hope you enjoy this course and find it useful in your current and future projects.